Well, good day everyone, and welcome to this video on the iRTA2. And today we're going to be answering a question: can I use two iRTA2's in tandem with one another to do something a little bit more than two channels? And the answer is yes, with the help of a Rode AI Micro. What this little device allows us to do is either use USB-C or Lightning. Plugging it in, we can take both of our cable outputs from our iRTA2's, plug them in, and then that will feed right into here. In this case, we are looking at a 6-channel amplifier. We're looking at all the odd number channels, channels 1, 3, and 5, and we can come in and we can take a look at channel 1, which is our dedicated tweeter channel, channel 2, which is our dedicated mid-range channel, and then turn those both off, and now we can see our mid-bass channel. We can turn those all on, and we can get a graphical representation of what is happening here. This amplifier has a 12 dB crossover built into it, and what we've done is we've actually flipped the mid-range 180 degrees because the fact that it has a 12 dB crossover. If we were to flip them back, we go through again and turn on channels 1, we can see we have our tweeter crossover, channel 2 gives us our mid-range, and of course channel 3 is still our mid-bass. But if we turn them all at the same time, we can see those crossover point dips that happen when using a 12 dB crossover. This is actually happening. It's the same signal, but now all of our outputs are correctly wired up: positive, positive, negative, negative. Seeing the dip that we get when using a 12 dB crossover. If this was capable of doing 24, we could flip it on and that would negate this. But if you'd like to see that in action, and you've got a buddy that has an iRTA2 and you've got an iRTA2 and you want to look at more than two sets of channels, pick yourself up a Rode AI and it'll allow you to do that. You can also use this if you're looking for any type of filtering that's put in the car where you have more than just a mid-range and a tweeter and you really want to see it all in one time. When you connect two of these together, you now have 4 inputs that you can go to town on and measure anything you want. And if you're like, where do I get an iRTA2? Just click on the link in the description below at DNF Tool Drawer. That's it. That's all we got for you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.